yeah, I just wanted to cover the go-kart. I might be going to a new home. Over the winter, I traded a old single shot 20 gauge shotgun for this. It was kind of in rough shape. We've done a lot of work to it, put a new motor on it. Haven't used it yet, haven't even started it. Built the motor mounts, put a new sprocket on, a new clutch, new brake system right here. Put the pedals on it, they were with it, and then that, and then front new tie rods. And so I traded that shotgun for this thing. And we'll see what happens. I put new tires on, tubes, heavy duty tubes, and it's just ready for its final. This is a cool thing, is this extension. I bought another one too for my pressure washer. But this is for oil changes. Makes it a lot easier. So there's the go-kart. So the go-kart's gone. It went to a new home. Right now I'm working on this motor. I've got to do the rings and the valves on it. And this is off of the John Deere GX85 little rider. I can rebuild that. The whole time I was building the go-kart though, I was thinking about a tool I needed. And one person offered me a trade for the go-kart, and it happened to be that tool, which is unbelievable. And this is what I got on trade. Snap-on torque wrench, digital. This is exactly what I was thinking that I needed. And it's self-zeroing. And yeah, it's a cool little tool. Inch pounds, Newton meters, kilograms. We started off with foot pounds. So, man, that's wild. And I've got this Yamaha motor I'm rebuilding also. So this will come in handy for that purpose. So anyways, I traded my single shot shotgun, an old Savage, for the go-kart. Initially I put a new motor on it, which is $100. Put a little bit of more money into it, brakes and linkage and stuff like that. And and then this is what it turned into. My shotgun turned into this, and this is going to be a really useful tool. So that's that story. I'll be working on this motor next.